How to get back into a suspended eBay account. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by heading over to any of the web browser. Once you're in this page, in the search bar, you have to search for eBay customer service. Now move into any of the site. Let me move into the very first one, Contact eBay. It will land you on the official page of eBay customer support. Now scroll all the way down, and over here you can see it says, was this article helpful for you? You need to tap on no, and then click on something else. Now in this page, you need to state all the problem that you have been facing on eBay. If you don't know what to write, then you can simply copy and paste the thing that I have just written. For more details, you also have to enter your phone number, your email address, and also the username of your account. Once you have given all the details, tap on Submit. Within 24 hours, they will analyze your account, and if your account is valid to access, then your account will be unsuspend, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.